How to fix Windows settings missing in Start menu. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. The built-in Windows troubleshooter scans for issues and attempts to fix them automatically. It is a straightforward and effective way to resolve many common problems, including the missing settings option. If that didn't work, a corrupted system file can be one of the main reasons why Windows settings are missing in the Start menu. To address this, you can run several commands via elevated command prompt. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, if your Windows was already up to date, you can try uninstalling the latest update and see if that helps. Sometimes, Windows updates might mess up features and result in other issues. Click Pause the updates for 7 days. In Windows 11, you can pick a different time period. Install updates only once the issue is addressed by Microsoft. If that didn't work, this is a last resort option that will erase all your apps and settings but will likely fix the issue. Select Keep My Files and Cloud Download. Next, pick whether you want to reinstall the apps. Click Reset. Your system will restart, and the process of Windows reset will begin.